Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. So, in case you guys don't know, my favorite hair styler thing of all time is the Dyson Airwrap. It is legit the only thing that I use to blow dry my hair and to style my hair. So, I wanted to do this video because I always use this on my wet and my dry hair, and I feel like a lot of people think this is just like a hair dryer and that you can't or that you shouldn't or whatever, like use it on your dry hair, but I always am using it on my dry hair. Of course, when you use this on your dry hair, you do get like a different result than when you like use it on your like wet hair. But today I'm going to show you guys how I style my dry hair. My hair is about, oh, I just washed it yesterday, yeah. So it's pretty clean. So I'm going to show you guys today how I style my hair while it is dry with my Dyson Airwrap. If you guys are interested, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's jump into this video. Alright, so first things first, I always section off my hair. So I always pull both of my sections forward, and then I will use a clip to kind of like put one to the side so it doesn't interfere with this side. So I'm going to start with this side of my hair. I always start with my right side. So these arrows are pointing away, which is what you want. You don't want to pull it towards your face because then all your hair is going to come like this. You want it to be away from your face. So I'm going to show you guys what I do. So I always start back to front. So I will just like pick up a piece and then I will comb it quick. And then I'll just take my Dyson. See how it does like all the work for you? You don't have to literally do anything to get it to do this. It just pulls the hair and that's it. So I will leave it for like 10 seconds and then I will hit it with the cool setting to cool the curl so it lasts. Obviously we're not going to leave it like that, but for now we are. So I'm just going to go through my whole hair and do the same thing. I'm just pulling pieces as I can. What I have noticed when my hair is more dry, you do kind of want to pull in like smaller pieces because that'll make the curl last longer. So I'm going to do the same thing over here. So I do want to say one thing. I am using these smaller barrels. These are the 1.2 ones. These came with my Airwrap, but I also have the longer barrels, so I will show you the difference. So I'm using the short one because I'm using the small one because I do have short hair, and with this long one, if I use it on my short hair, my curls are really tight, and I don't like that look. I like more of like a wavy look, so that's why I use these smaller ones. But if you do have longer hair, and when my hair was longer, I was always using these because the smaller ones took so long, and like it literally was just so inconvenient. So if you do have longer hair than me, I do recommend using this one just because it's quicker and you will still get that wavy look. If you have short hair like me, definitely use the smaller one just because, I mean, I don't know if you like that tight curl look, but I personally don't, so just wanted to let you guys know. But yeah, so as you can see, we have these, I don't know if you can tell, but we have two pieces done. So now I'm just going to go ahead and pull from like up top and just keep going around my head. Alright, so this side of my head is done. I am going to come back to this front piece right here and style this later because I do something a little bit different that I want to show you guys. So now I'm just going to take that same clip and then pin the side that we just finished to the side, and then I'm going to comb through this side of my hair and I'm going to switch barrels. There's a little lock on the back, so you just press it, take it off, and then you put the other one on and it automatically locks on its own. So I'm just going to do the same thing. Just pull from like the back and just go like that. I will go back and like once I'm done with this side, I will put all my hair to the back and kind of feel around for pieces that aren't curled, and then go ahead and do those pieces too. So I'll show you guys that as well. So now we are done with the curls. So I'm just gonna like reach back here. I'm gonna like turn to the side a little bit. So like this piece right here, I can tell it's definitely not curled all the way. So I just take it and I'll do it like that. And for the most part, I do get almost every single piece of my hair curled. So it is a little bit harder with the back just because like the way you gotta hold the Dyson, that's the only thing I don't like about it. It's a lot easier to curl the back of your hair with a curling wand, but it's not that hard once you get used to it. Alright, so I'm feeling that again. So I feel this piece right here, but this piece is more towards like the right side of my head. So I'm quickly gonna change barrels and I'm going to pick up that same piece. Yeah, that's definitely not curled, so I'm just gonna curl it quick. Everything feels like it's pretty much curled, so I'm gonna take these off, and now I'm gonna go in with this round piece because I do have bangs now. Oh my god, I just like poked myself in my eye. So I do have bangs now since I got my hair done like 2 weeks ago. So I don't like how they look when they're curled. So I'll just take them, I'm gonna brush them quick. Ooh, gotta be careful. Oh my god, my hair just like falls out. Alright, so I'm gonna take the round brush and I'm just going to kind of like smooth my hair. I will go from the back and from the front just to really get it nice and smooth. And then, do you see how just smooth and like blown out this looks? It looks, look at this side compared to this side. So much better. So I'm going to take the same, I'm going to do the same thing to this side. I'm going to just brush it quick. So now that that is done, so I'm going to take my brush. It has a lot of hair in it, so don't judge me. And I'm going to just take my hairspray. You can use any hairspray. And I always just spray my brush because this is going to help keep like no frizz and just kind of like hold your hair while you brush it. So I'm just going to go and comb through my hair. And then I will take my fingers because if I keep brushing it, it'll kind of just get rid of all the curls and I don't want that. So I will just take my fingers and comb through it. And now what I'll do is I'll just throw all my hair to one side and just spray. That is it, you guys. So this is how it looks. I'm going to show you guys the back so you guys can see how the back looks as well. Yeah, so that is how I style my hair with the Dyson Airwrap when my hair is dry. I've been recording for 18 minutes and this probably takes me like 12 minutes. The only reason I'm like it's taking me 18 is because I'm talking to you guys as I do this, but legit this takes me like 15 minutes and it honestly looks like I went and got a blowout. And I love how the round brush makes my bangs look in the front. I just think they look so good and just like blown out, and this thing is so worth the money. Oh my god, there's hair everywhere. But I have seen people online say that it's not worth it, and then people that love it like me. You guys, trust me, this is so frigging worth it. I'm so happy that I purchased it. I don't even use curling wands anymore just because I don't like how my hair looks with a curling wand now that I've used this. I like this more like looser type of fluffy, voluminous look that I got going on right now. So if you guys were ever thinking about purchasing the Dyson Airwrap, it is not just a $500 hair dryer, it is a hair styler, so you can use it on your wet and your dry hair, and when your hair is wet it looks great, and then when your hair is dry it looks great. If you guys are thinking about getting this, or you're skeptical about it, or you don't think it's worth the hype, trust me, it's worth the hype. Alright you guys, so that is all I have for you guys in today's video. Please do not forget to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and to subscribe, and let me know if you guys own the Dyson Airwrap, if you love the Dyson Airwrap, if you don't think it's worth the hype, if you think it's overly priced. Leave me all of your thoughts down below, and as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video, and I'll hopefully catch you in my next video. Bye!